Hi, my name is Ashley, and today I'll be teaching a stretch and strength routine. No equipment is needed, so let's go ahead and get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, go ahead and save the video to your watch later and join me whenever you can. Alright you guys, let's start in a wide open second position. We're going to breathe in and we're going to bend our knees and come down. Let's do that a couple times. Breathe in and out. Let's just warm up those inner thighs. This is just a really gentle strength routine with a little bit of stretch. So it's nothing too abrasive, but just something to do on a day that you don't want to go too heavy on the workout. Keep breathing and reverse it. Up, press down, and up, press down. Make sure there's energy in your arms so that it's doubling as a arm workout as well as those inner thighs. Try to go a little lower when you come down. Keep breathing. Couple more. Nice. Last one. We're going to hold it and pulse it. And pulse, pulse. Add the arm flaps up, down, 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 down. 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Melt down. And just relax into the hips. Use those elbows to push the knees open, knees over toes. Keep breathing. Relax into this stretch. Bring one shoulder down. Look to one side. Reverse. All right, roll it up gently. Slow. Nice, you guys. Let's face one side of your choice. Hands on the hip, or you can put them out, whatever helps your balance. I'm going to keep them on my hips. And let's do just some light lunges. Down and up, down and up, down and up. Nice, you guys. Add the arms up and down. Keep your balance. Hold that core tight. Nice. Couple more. Keep breathing. All right, last one to hold and pulse it. Hold it here. Stay low, stay low. 6, 7, 8. Lunge it down and relax. Relax, relax. Nice. Hold it up and balance and balance and balance. Back down. Lunge it out. Let's do that a few more times. Ready and up. Hold the balance. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up. Back down. Relax. Relax. And breathe. One more time. Let's go up. Hold. Hold. Nice. Back down. Relax it. Last time. Ready. Last time. And hold. All the way down. Nice, you guys. You can come down if you'd like. You can open up that foot for more hip rotation and just relax here. Nice, you guys. Bring it up. Swing it through. Roll up. Nice. Let's do the second side. Coming into lunge position. Hands on the hip. or out, whatever gets your balance. All right, let's go slow. And down and up. Keep breathing. Nice. Few more. All right. With the arms, let go. And balance. Core tight. Feel the burn. Few more. We're gonna hold it with little pulses. Let's go. Little pulses. You can go as slow or as fast as you'd like. Couple more. We're gonna lunge all the way down. Let's go. Relax. Nice. You can put the knee down if you'd like. Now we're gonna come up and balance in the lunge. Let's go. Hold, release, relax. Let's do it 2 more times. And up, balance. Release. Relax. Relax. Last time, you guys. Last time, best time. And up. Breathe. And all the way down. You can come down on your elbows or release the foot out. Whatever gets you to relax the most. Nice, you guys. Bring it up to center. Rolling up. All right, you guys, let's take it down. And I'm gonna just sit crisscross applesauce, and we're gonna do a little bit of arm workouts and then some arm stretches. So we're gonna keep our arms up. Don't give up. It's gonna be just a fun little routine. The combo is gonna go up and down. Pulse it. And again, up and down. Pulse it. All right, we're just gonna do that a couple times. I'll add in some variations, but overall, that's the pattern. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up, press down, pulse it as fast as you can, and up and down. Pulse it. You should feel those lats working. Up and down. Pulse it. Couple more. Up and down. Pulse it. Nice. Little variation. And down. Circle it back. Again. Up and down. Circle back. Few more. Up and down. Circle back. Nice. Up and down. Circle back. We're going to reverse it. Up and down. Circle front. You got it. Up and down. Circle front. Okay. Up, down, circle front. And up and down. Circle front. Another variation. Go up and down, push back, push, push, push. And up and down, push back, push. Nice, you guys. Up and down, push back. Again, up and down, feel the burn, push back. Last variation. Up, down, press forward. Up and down, press forward. Nice. Up and down, press forward. Again, up and down, press forward. All right, new variation. Shake out your arms. we're gonna go side to side. So we're getting a little stretch and a little arm. So let's just go one side to the next, to the next, to the next. Pulse it over. Stretch, 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 stretch. And repeat. To the side, to the side, other side. Pulse it here. Let's go. Pulse, stretch, stretch, stretch. Little faster. Side, to side, to side, to side. And stretch. Second side. Go faster, faster. And reach. Go pulse it. Back to center. Cross one arm over. Bring it through and pull towards your chest. Stretch it out. Relax it. And extend. Grab the elbow. Bring it up. Lean it over for an extra stretch. Nice, you guys. Second side. Crazy how much gravity can do for a little arm workout. You can repeat that for a whole song while you're sitting watching TV. It's a great passive little arm workout. And stretch it, lean it over. Nice, you guys. All right, I'm gonna come back up just to come down to a downward dog. So let's go on one side of your mats here. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of like a caterpillar crawl, I like to call it. We're just gonna exhale down, come forward, and I'm gonna do a little side to side, to side, to side. Gently walk it back and roll it up. That's gonna be the routine. Let's go. Roll it down, caterpillar out. Give me 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Coming back and up. I like this kind of movement with abs, so it's not just pure torture. You get a little stretch and a little break in between. Coming back up and roll it. A couple more times. And out. Nice. Twist it. Slow, slow, slow. Nice. Bring it back up. Roll it up. 2 more times. Roll it down. Plank it out. And twist. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up. Nice, you guys. Last time. Exhale it down. Caterpillar out. And twist it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees down. Roll it on your tummy. And relax for 2 seconds. Cobra it up. Stretch out the abs. You can always come all the way up, depending on how stretched you are. Relax it before we go into our next little strength exercise. All right. Coming down, few breaths. Next exercise, we're gonna bring our hands behind our head and pulse it up. Just gently, don't try and whack your back up. Just go small and steady, just a couple pulses. All right, you guys? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax it. Hold it here. We're gonna do that 2 more times. Gets that stubborn back fat and gets you all muscular in the back for those low back dresses. And it's pretty easy to do when you're chilling. You just pulse it up. Let's go again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax it down. Give it a second, breathe. Stretch it out if you need. Last time, best time. See how high you can go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into child's pose to kind of relax that back out. Nice, you guys. All right. On all fours, last thing is just a little push-up. This is the routine. We're going to do a wide arm push-up, and back, and out, push up, and stretch. So this combines our stretch and our strength all in one. So let's go on all fours. You can lift the feet up, or you can have them down, or you could be all the way up. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go down, reach it back. Again, down, reach it back. Slow and steady all the way down. Reach it back. Nice. Kind of gives you a rest as you are doing strength. So I like it. It's not too harsh, but it gives you a little pump when you need it. And release. Don't be afraid to go as slow as you need. Let's add in a little hold at the bottom. Down and hold. Bring it up and back. Just like that a couple times. Down, hold, and up and back. 2 more times. Down, hold, up, and back. Last time, up, and hold. There we go. Whew. Nice, you guys. Whew. Shake it out, shake it out. That was awesome. Thank you for joining me for a little stretch and strength. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see more, download our app Yoga Plus. And be sure to check out more videos in my series. I'll see ya, bye!
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.